Hi everyone, so I'm just doing a quick share. I'm going to be putting this in my Etsy shop. I have painted pictures or painted stuff that I've done for a while now, and I want to share them with other people. Sorry about my kids in the background, but it's a Friday. So here are some more, and I'm going to be making these into digitals, so that's why it's this way, but they're painted pictures that or painted magazine that I've done, and I just figured why not try making these into digitals for people because they are so beautiful. I'm gonna keep the hard copies, of course. I'm not gonna try making anything out of the hard copies. I think I'm just gonna store them at this point just because I don't know what I want to do with them yet. And until I know what I want, these are just going to be master boards at this point. And I'm just going to print them after I take the pictures and make them into digitals. I'm just going to print them off and use them that way. They're so beautiful and very, very colorful. I kind of made it into a bohemian style a little bit here. Not trying to, but did. But 6 pages. Well, technically 12 pages total of background paper. Then I have 3 pages of ephemera. Just random ephemera here. So, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I know it's rather quick, but this is what I'm doing right now. So, just wanted to share it with everyone while I still can. I have to have a sock on my foot right now because of my ankle hurting still, and it just is not. It's because I'm using the cane instead of the walker, but I need to, so need to heal, of course, and learn how to walk again, it feels like. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.